Sonic. Obviously, we play as Sonic, so we start as Sonic. Is that a Crash Bandicoot crystal? What has this to do with Crash Bandicoot? Okay, fine, whatever. And yes, Crash Bandicoot has also that kind of crystal. Okay. Just made it in time. Whew. I have to say my favorite Sonic game has to be Sonic. It's a very difficult choice between Sonic 2 or 3 and Sonic Generations. Yes, Sonic Generations from the PlayStation 3 or Sonic 06. Okay, no, Sonic 06. I never played that game. Okay, let's go to the left. What is here? Okay. So, what happened in the game is that Amy got kidnapped and now we need to save her? Okay. Okay, fine. We have a little... I don't know what that is. And when I said I played a little bit from the game, I don't know real... I just mean the first level. And that's it. Just for this video's sake, that I know how to play it. But I'm still going to suck. Okay, fine. I still get all my rings. Yeah, no. Sorry. Okay, so... I have to say, I really heard a lot of bad things about this game. Especially the Wii U version. But what can you expect? It's not from Sega, it's from another company. I mean, they gave it a shot. Nope. Nope. You're not gonna get me. No, I don't wanna do that. No, let's press stop. Is there a secret? Nope, nothing. Okay. Huh. Where should I go? Just gonna go here, like whatever. Oh yay, baddies. Did I just do that for a couple of rings? And a map. I mean, stuff. Very handy, I guess. A checkpoint. Easy. Oh yeah. Sonic speeds by. Sonic the Hedgehog. Too fast for the naked eye. Sonic the Hedgehog. I suck at this game. Yes, Sonic the Hedgehog. Even lower rating than Sonic 06. Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom is a piece of shit. Sonic has an attitude. Sonic is fastest in alive. He's the fastest thing alive. Okay, fine, that was it. I'm gonna stop singing now. I could have attacked him, but he doesn't. I have to say, the controls are not that great. I mean, in my taste, they're not that great. I mean, I pressed that button a couple of minutes ago, but maybe that's not the game. Maybe it just shouldn't that hurt me, by the way. Oh, a Crash Bandicoot crystal. What the hell is that? Why is that Crash Bandicoot crystal even here? Shut up, shut up. Okay, stopping baddies from Ivo Robotnik. Or, yes, Eggman. However you want to call him, I don't care. I call him Ivo Robotnik. Actually, the first Sonic game that I ever played was on a Game Boy game console. A Game Boy Advance console, actually. And it was or Sonic Advanced 2 or 3. Or Sonic Battle. I really love those games. Nope. Something here? Yes, there are coins. Okay, fine, that's fun. Whoop. Okay, what's here? Okay, no, that's not for me. That's for probably Tails. Okay, just one other coin? Okay, whatever. Okay, by the way, if you're asking, I'm not doing anything at the moment, so it's like... if I have to say how much points I will give this game from now on, I would say a 5? It's not bad, I mean, I played worse. But it's not that bad. And now, from on, it's gonna be a shitty Matthew. I'm gonna fuck up. Did I did something good? Nope. I haven't collected all the little thingies. Okay, so the game is over now. Seriously? You let me do all these things for just some coins? I guess if you don't have all those 150 coins, that should be very easy, but... okay, so we finished this. I have to say, in this part, Sonic does look very good. Okay. So we're only going to check this, and then I'm gonna stop. Okay, there's someone I was just online with Amy. She's got a line on those super powerful shattered crystal shards from Crash Bandicoot she's been hunting. Cool! But some big crazy robo snake, calling himself Lyric, or whatever, slurred and snagged her. Not so cool. I was hoping you could use your scientific know-how and Buckley can-do attitude to figure out where the fuck she is. First thing we need to do is figure out where she's been. You can do that? Give me 10 minutes, 5 hours, some nachos, and some breakfast. Last September, I've been itching to experiment with this ancient tech we clumped from those ruins Amy's been digging in. Who says glomming? Really? Right. Who says that? I just did. No,